Looking for the best RV leveling blocks in 2026? You're in the right place. Whether you're a weekend camper or a full-time RVer, having the right leveling blocks can make your camping experience safer, more comfortable, and hassle-free. In this video, we'll cover the 5 best RV leveling blocks that are durable, easy to use, and worth your money. Stay until the end to find out which one is the best overall and which offers the best value for your budget. Number 5. The RVMATE 12-pack heavy-duty RV leveling block system is an exceptionally engineered solution designed to eliminate the frustration of stabilization on uneven terrain. Built from high-strength, UV-resistant polymer, these interlocking blocks are engineered to support tremendous weight configurations without cracking, making them ideal for heavy travel trailers, fifth wheels, and applications featuring single or dual wheels. The system functions by nesting the modular components into a customizable pyramid stack, where each block delivers roughly 1 inch of customizable lift height while simultaneously working to significantly reduce overall trailer movement. In real-life camping scenarios, the solid grid design prevents the blocks from sinking into soft turf or mud, while the inclusion of dedicated drive on ramp pieces ensures a smooth transition that entirely removes the jarring kick out common to lesser blocks. When contrasted with standard market competitors like the basic CARMTEK 10-pack, RVMATE provides superior overall value for money by supplying 12 pieces instead of 10, including integrated slope transitions, and packaging the system with a heavy-duty zippered storage bag. Operating this setup is incredibly intuitive. Users simply configure their desired stack layout, place the slopes, and effortlessly drive their vehicle onward. This product represents an outstanding, cost-effective investment for both weekend campers and full-time RV enthusiasts who demand a highly durable, modular, and reliable leveling platform. I highly recommend this comprehensive system to any towable or motorized vehicle owner looking for a stress-free, stable setup experience at an affordable price point. Number 4. The ROBLOCK 12-pack RV leveling block system is an exceptionally innovative and versatile solution designed to eliminate vehicle tilt and stabilize campers, travel trailers, and heavy-duty rigs on uneven terrain. This unique configuration includes 10 classic interlocking polypropylene blocks blended with anti-UV aging additives for long-term outdoor density, plus 2 distinctive heavy-duty rubber-topped blocks that serve as a high-traction crowning layer, functioning similarly to nestable Lego bricks. The system creates a highly customizable pyramid ramp structure, where each standard block adds roughly 1 inch of height while doubling as a robust, non-slip base pad for hydraulic, tongue, or scissor stabilizer jacks. In real-life camping scenarios, the high-density build effectively prevents the trailer from sinking into soft mud, turf, or gravel, while the unique rubberized tops solve a major industry pain point by preventing the trailer tires or metal jack feet from dangerously slipping when wet. Compared to standard market competitors like the traditional CARMTEK 10-pack, which consists entirely of rigid, slippery plastic and lacks multi-material layers, ROBLOCK delivers significantly better value for money by providing 2 extra units, an integrated high-grip rubber interface, and a heavy-duty zippered storage bag for clean, compact transportation. Setting up the system is incredibly user-friendly, requiring campers to simply interlock the blocks to the desired elevation, place the rubberized units up top, and smoothly drive the vehicle forward. This multifunctional stabilizer kit represents a phenomenal investment for weekend road trippers and full-time overland travelers alike who frequently navigate unpaved campsites and demanding environments. I highly recommend the ROBLOCK 12-pack to any travel trailer or motorhome owner looking for a rugged, modular, and reliably secure leveling system that guarantees peace of mind and structural safety wherever they park. Number 3. The original USA-made strongest trailer jack block stabilizing pad system by Bullke is a premium, heavy-duty solution engineered to provide unyielding ground support and reduce annoying interior sway for parked fifth wheels, travel trailers, and motorhomes. Manufactured proudly in the United States using a robust, eco-friendly forged, recycled plastic process rather than brittle injection molding, these ultra-dense 11 5-inch diameter by 4-inch tall blocks boast an impressive independently tested load capacity of up to 18,000 pounds per block. The primary purpose of this system is to serve as an elevated, rock-solid baseline for trailer tongues, post jacks, foot plates, or scissor stabilizers, minimizing the distance a jack must extend and thereby drastically lowering mechanical strain and wobbling. In real-life scenarios, these blocks excel on challenging terrains like soft grass, gravel, and unpaved mud campsites, where their extra-wide flared footprint distributes heavy weight evenly to prevent the vehicle from sinking overnight. A unique design aspect is their rugged, overbuilt structural geometry that resists intense degradation, dirt, oil, and moisture, entirely outperforming traditional wood blocks that split, rot, and harbor pests. When compared to major market alternatives like the popular Anderson trailer jack blocks, which utilize integrated magnets for automatic centering, the Bullke blocks focus purely on maximum raw crushing strength and a massive vertical tolerance. While they lack the hands-free magnetic attachment feature of Anderson, Bullke provides exceptional value for money by delivering an incredibly robust, crack-proof 4-pack setup at a highly competitive price point, effectively eliminating the need for expensive hitch stabilizers. Operating these blocks is completely hassle-free, as their lightweight nature ensures easy manual positioning and clean stacking inside an RV pass through storage bay. This heavy-duty leveling arrangement is an absolute game-changer for full-time overland travelers, large fifth-wheel owners, and heavy equipment haulers who frequently set up camp on soft or highly uneven ground. I fully recommend this indestructible block system to any enthusiast seeking an absolute guarantee of structural security, minimal cabin movement, and decades of maintenance-free reliability. Number 2. The CARMTEK Camper Leveler Premium Kit is an exceptionally efficient, high-performance solution designed to revolutionize the side-to-side balancing process for travel trailers, fifth wheels, and motorhomes. Rather than relying on the tedious trial and error stacking of traditional interlocking bricks, this kit uses a progressive curved wedge design that achieves precise leveling at any height increment from 1.5 inch to 4 inches. Constructed from an ultra-durable, high-performance structural polymer, the levelers are engineered to withstand up to 35,000 pounds of heavy vehicle weight without cracking or warping, accommodating tires up to 32 inches in diameter. The kit stands out for its unique, patented anti-slip jointing system, featuring precision grip channels molded along the ramp surface that securely interlock with notches on the included orange chocks, preventing dangerous slippage while the RV is parked. In real-life camping scenarios, this arrangement performs flawlessly on loose gravel, soft grass, and slick mud, as the included heavy-duty rubber grip mats provide an anchor that stops the levelers from shooting out or sliding forward when driven upon. When compared to market pioneers like the original Anderson Hitch's camper leveler, CARMTEK delivers superior overall value for money by providing a more complete, all-inclusive package out of the box, complete with the vital rubber traction mats and a heavy-duty zippered canvas storage bag, while its aggressive, deeper surface ridges offer noticeably better tire traction on wet terrain. Operating the kit is remarkably straightforward. Users simply slide the thin end under the low side tires, slowly drive backward or forward until the cabin is perfectly level, and tuck the chocks firmly into place, cutting setup time down to under 5 minutes. This premium leveling system is a phenomenal, time-saving investment for solo campers, weekend road trippers, and full-time RV enthusiasts who want to skip the stress of stacking plastic blocks. I highly recommend the CARMTEK Premium Kit for anyone seeking an indestructible, lightning-fast, and safe leveling experience at any campsite. Number 1. The prompt-based generative template block evaluated here serves as a structured, algorithmic framework designed to systematically extract high-quality, comprehensive product evaluations from advanced language models. The primary purpose of this design pattern is to enforce strict formatting, thematic completeness, and a uniform critical structure across diverse product categories by explicitly demanding specific criteria such as build quality, ease of use, real-world performance, and competitive market comparisons. Key features of this template include its multi-layered semantic constraints and its strict single-paragraph delivery mandate, which forces the AI to synthesize dense, multifaceted analytical points without relying on lazy formatting crutches like bullet points or subheaders. In performance tests and real-life writing workflows, this specific prompt layout functions flawlessly, consistently yielding tight, scannable, and publication-ready consumer reviews that maintain a highly professional, objective tone throughout. The quality of its architectural build lies in its precise sequencing of instructions, which guides the model from a technical feature breakdown into contextual, real-world scenarios, and finally, into a decisive target audience recommendation. In terms of ease of use, it is exceptionally straightforward for developers and content managers to deploy, requiring nothing more than a simple string replacement of the bracketed placeholder to generate vastly different, deeply tailored results. A unique design aspect of this prompt is its clever integration of a direct competitor comparison clause, which prevents the underlying model from generating generic, isolated praise and instead coaxes out nuanced, relative market analysis. When compared to simpler competitor prompts such as a basic write a review for X command, this highly structured template offers significantly better value for money and computing resource efficiency, as it drastically reduces the need for secondary revisions, corrective prompting, or post-generation editing. Digital copywriters, e-commerce content managers, and affiliate marketers managing large-scale review portfolios would benefit immensely from adopting this structured framework. I highly recommend this prompt engineering template as an indispensable tool for anyone looking to generate precise, reliable, and high-density product summaries with minimal variance. That wraps up our list of the 5 best RV leveling blocks for 2026. Each option has its own strengths, whether you need maximum durability, easy stacking, or the best value for the price. We hope this guide helps you choose the right leveling blocks for your next adventure. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more RV gear reviews and camping tips. Thanks for watching, and happy camping!